Hello, everybody. Oh, dang it! I dropped something. Poor guy here. Don, right there. We're gonna attempt to do smash burger tacos. That's right. We got some great value white corn tortillas, great value sharp cheddar cheese, our own taco spice that we make here at home, some 80/20 ground beef. I already mixed the taco spice in there, and I measured out 1/3 cup balls. So 1/3 cup in there. And we're going to try this. I tried one already. I wasn't real happy with it. Never done it, but we're going to give it another whirl. We're only going to make one for the video. But look at this. You guys know him? Kevin? Man Kitchen Recipes. I said, Kevin, please send me a magnet or a sticker. And look what he sent. A nice card. Cheers for this little emblem on it. That's awesome. I got stickers. I got magnets. Tell me that's not great.
That's great.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you very much, Kevin. And I think most of you probably know him. If you're new here and you don't know him, mankitchenrecipes.com, YouTube, obviously. Oh, don't forget that. Keep your beverages nice and cold. It's magnetic. Boop. All right, so that's what we're going to try out. Like I said, I tried one out there in the Blackstone. Wasn't real happy with it. The thing that bothered me the most was, in hindsight, maybe I should have got a leaner beef because this is 80/20. So we're going to go ahead and give this an attempt. We're going to do it like we saw. We saw, actually, stop right there. My friend Michael Redimer. Michael, if you're watching, we're trying this out. He sent me this recipe from TikTok, I believe it was. So we're going to give it a whirl. We're just going to do one and see if we like it. Yeah, that's how we do things, poor guy. First time, usually. All right, that's about it. Meet me outside. Peace. Man Kitchen Recipes. Here you go, Kevin. Here's my other ones. The other side's starting to get filled up, so I'm moving some over here to this side. And then I've got these over here. Come on to this side. Since Kevin sent me all these, he goes right here too. Yeah. Check out all my friends. They're not really my friends, but I have an Oklahoma Joe. Yeah. Let's give this a try. So I took that little white corn tortilla and I put it on there just to get it maybe just a little bit crispy. Hopefully. And we're going to take this right. So we got it nice and hot. I have it on high because when you do smash burgers, that's the way to do it. And we're going to smash these down thin. So like I was saying, there's an awful lot of fat involved with these 80/20. I guess in hindsight, maybe I should have got a leaner beef, but I didn't. So I just worry that they're going to get real greasy in the little taco shell. Let me dispose of this. BRB. So it smells real good with the taco seasoning in it. And I kind of did a little test with those white corn tortillas, and I just threw it on there. It was about 5 minutes, and it got a little crispy. And I put it in my Blackstone. And so if you just want to get these and just make regular tacos, I mean, this works out really well. I mean, you can see it holds the form. It's got a little bit of texture to it, and stuff. I got some American cheese. Now I'm going to put this on the patty. I didn't even do it right. I didn't even do it right off the bat. I didn't even do it right. Okay, so what I was actually supposed to do is smash that right onto there. But let's give this a try anyway. We're going to flip this over. Listen to that sizzle, baby. Let's take our American cheese. This will work out the same. Trust me, it'll be all right.
It'll be fine.
And then let's take this. See, it's getting a little nice on that. Let's put that on top. And we'll just give it another little smash. Now I put that cheese in there so it sticks to it. You can put it on top if you want. Whatever you want to do. You know, you guys know how I am. Sometimes I'm a little, I don't know, absent-minded, I suppose. It's hot out here today in Oklahoma, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don and Aiden were planting some vegetables, getting a jump on our garden, and it's pretty toasty. We're supposed to get some weather, some storms. Hello. Oh, that Man Kitchen recipe koozie makes that beverage taste so much better. Okay, we got action. We got action. Okay. Okay, I'm liking how things are going here. Doesn't take long. So look at that's something. That's something. Now let's go ahead and press it in here. Hopefully this works. Oh boy, that didn't work. Hold on, everybody. Hold on, everybody. Let's try that again. Let's get this centered best we can. Press down. Okay, we'll go with that. That'll be all right. Let's turn this off because that burger is done. We're gonna let it sit in there for a minute or two. Hopefully it'll hold the shape. Let's set that there. Hopefully it'll hold the shape, and we'll load it up with some shredded cheddar and any kind of condiments that you might think of. Since it's a taco, in theory, I'm going to add some Frank's Red Hot and a little bit of lettuce. And Dawn, she might probably add some sour cream. Put that on there. It's a taco, so you make them the way you want.
Mm-hmm.
I see epic fail written all over this.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine,
It
all right?
looks good and smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. So here's kind of what I was getting at. So with the grease, it's kind of building up in the taco. So it looks like it's going to be a greasy mess. So maybe a leaner beef would be better for these, you know. But first time for it. Again, the way we do things is we try it. Most of our cooks are first time for us. We don't usually practice. And the whole idea is, okay, I can do that. I can make that on the Blackstone. I can make it better. And I'm going to add this. I'm going to do this a little bit different. And that's what we're all about. So let me try to get this off here. I'll bring it inside. I'll dress it up, and I'm gonna give it a taste, and we'll see what we need to do because we're gonna have these for dinner regardless. Okay, meet me back inside. Peace. There it is. It worked. Not exactly the way I was supposed to do it according to the TikTok video that I saw. I just put some Franks in there, a little bit of shredded cheddar, and a little bit of lettuce. It's holding good, and the white corn tortilla shell has got some crispiness to it, and it's not too greasy. So I think it worked out. I'm going to give it a try. Dawn won't eat this because of the Franks on it. So cheers. Oh, that's good.
Is it good?
Hmm. Yeah. I had the American cheese underneath, so you got kind of a double layer of shredded or double layer of cheese. And you get that when you bite into it because it's nice and melty. The taco seasoning, the lettuce. That's good. Hmm. It worked out. Hmm. It's tasty. Not too bad. All right, that's what we got. I guess it wasn't an epic failure. It's actually pretty good. All right. Cheers. Thank you, Kevin, Man Kitchen Recipe. If you don't know him, check him out. You'll be happy you did. That's all we got.
Michael again?
Yes, Michael Redimer. Thank you for this. Because if nothing else, they're pretty darn delicious. So I appreciate that, Michael Redimer. He's just a regular dude. He's a friend of ours, and we appreciate him and his beautiful wife, Jennifer. Peace out.